guys, today is October 2nd, Friday, the first Friday of the month. And of course, today is Filipino Food Friday. Today's dish that we're going to cook right now is beef menudo. Okay guys, beef menudo is also one of the famous dish in Filipino besides adobo. Adobo is always like the famous one. And beef menudo, mechado is like mostly like a beef braised with soy sauce and calamansi, and because we don't have calamansi, probably just go ahead do some lemon. So let's go join me and we're going to start cooking my beef version's menudo, or beef menudo, my version guys. Okay guys, this is my beef that I got marinated already for 6 hours with lemon and soy sauce and salt and pepper, of course. And I'm gonna cut that more in a dice size. Probably I'll be using half of that, and this is a ram roast. Okay, I have another idea for half of that. So this is almost 3 pounds, and I'm gonna be using maybe a pound and a half. So we have garbanzo, green pepper, and carrots, potatoes, onions, and tomato paste, of course. And instead of using raisin, that we're supposed to use raisins, I have cranberry here because I don't have a raisin. And we have chicken liver. This is almost 2 pounds, but we only use half of that. And I'll put chicken sausage. Okay guys, this is my version, so this is chicken sausage, so I'll probably use 3 pieces of this chicken sausage guys. Okay, and I'll be start cutting my ingredients. It's our chicken liver, and I'll be using this garlic and salt. Just go ahead, just a little bit, put it that, just mix it. This is our beef rump that I cut it in bite size. There's like a bite size, and I'll go ahead cook it first. I'll start cooking the beef first. And why did I marinate it? So to tenderize our beef, because soy sauce and lemon tendency will tenderize our beef. Okay, beef is cooked, medium cooked, and the same pan we're going to cook our liver, chicken liver in here. Okay. Liver is optional, you can go ahead and use it. If not, you can basically use liver is optional. If you don't want to use it, it's okay, but this is my recipe and my version, so I'm going to put chicken liver in this. Okay guys, in the same pan we're going to be putting our chicken liver. And it's got all the spices already there, soy sauce, lemon, and salt and pepper. So we'll go ahead cook our chicken liver in here. And guys, again, already cut all our ingredients. So we have 4 cloves of garlic, have onions, we got pepper, carrots, potato, and that was the sausage, chicken sausage that I already cut it in bite size. Cranberry, garbanzo, we have this small tomato paste, and also we're going to use this dry piece. Okay guys, you can go ahead use the frozen piece if you like, and all of this is optional, but for me this is all my ingredients for my beef menudo. We'll put the carrots. There we go. The carrots. And you know what, guys? Carrots is easy to cook. But some of it we can basically eat this like in the salad. So what I'm gonna be doing right now is also throw my sausage in here, right? Okay, guys, the sausage. This is our chicken sausage in here. So we're gonna go ahead and throw that one there. So it will all the spices. Great combination. Look at that, guys. This is so nice color. So we'll go ahead and cook the carrots and our sausage, and then after that we'll put our bell pepper and then garlic, onions and garlic. Okay? Halo-halo na po yan, yung ating sausage, chicken sausage, potato, and carrots. Okay, all mixed together and it looks so good. It's almost done. And after that, we're gonna go ahead and throw our bell pepper now. We'll go ahead and throw our bell pepper. And probably go ahead and do the onions. And my garlics all right there, all in one, guys. It's all in one. There you go, guys, all in one. Now we'll start. So ayan ho, halo-halo na po sila dyan. Sibuyas, bawang, nandyan na ho yan. Bell pepper, onions, potato, carrots, and at halo-halo na po sila dyan. And maya-maya pa lang ho is we're going to put our beef and our liver. And of course, we're gonna put our garbanzo and raisins, cranberry, dry cranberry. It's optional, guys. You can use raisins or cranberries. For me, I don't have any raisins right now, so I'll be using cranberry. And raisins basically is optional. If you don't want to put it, you can. You can, but for me is I'll go ahead try to put the cranberries in here. Ooh, that smells so good. Okay, guys, I think luto na yan. I think everything is cooked and done. Now we're gonna put our liver here. Ayan ho yung chicken liver ho natin. And we're gonna put our beef. Put our beef in there. So that's been seasoned already, guys. Remember now, we marinate this for 6 hours with soy sauce and lemon, salt and pepper, of course. So the taste is already there, guys. It's been seasoned. So now I'm going to throw my cranberries and our garbanzo and peas. Okay. Go ahead, throw the garbanzo, the peas, and this is our cranberries or raisins if you want. That's our cranberries. That's half a cup and half a cup of garbanzo and small can of peas, and we have a small can of tomato paste. We're gonna go ahead and put this in. Yan ho, halo-halo na ho sila dyan. Halo-halo na sila dyan. And we're gonna go ahead and put some water. Try to get more of this. There you go. Hold on. So we're gonna rinse it out here. This is 2/3 of water. Still have stir. Keep there.
Turn those off.
Yeah. And Okay, guys, that looks so good. It smells so good, right, honey?
Yes, it does.
It smells so good in here, guys. Then we're just gonna put some salt and pepper. Eyeballing it. And we have a little bit soy sauce. We're gonna have soy sauce. Eyeballing it. Bless you. That's eyeballing it too. That's probably 1 teaspoon. And then mix it. Mix it, you guys. Ooh, that looks so good. That smells good. And then we're going to cover a few minutes. And we'll wait for 5 minutes. Guys, after 5 minutes and cover, I think our beef menudo is done. And my husband is ready to taste it. That looks so good, guys. Yummy, yum, yum. With the white rice, we're ready to eat. That looks so good, guys. That's my beef menudo, guys. Thank you very much for watching the Traveling Days. I hope you like this video, and you go ahead, any questions, just put on down in the comments, and all the ingredients I'm gonna go ahead put it in the descriptions. Okay, bye for now. Okay, my husband is ready to taste it.
Something different.
Liked it?
Yeah. It's good. You never made this before.
Don't say that. Okay, that's already. I already told them that my new version. Bye for now, guys. We're gonna start eating now.